morning, guys. This is Tiffany, 100 plus. I am currently on my way to work to Rescue House 1. I am driving on Andrews Avenue. I'm shaking right now. Sorry if my voice is a little shaky. As I was driving, I saw 3 cars swerve. I didn't know what they were swerving for, and as I passed the area where they swerved, I saw something tiny in the road. So I swerved over to the right side of the road, parked my car, got out, ran back. Cars were swerving to miss me, and this little baby was in a ball on the middle of the road on Andrews Avenue, about to get hit by several cars. And I scooped him up. There was a guy on a bike on the side of the street. It was like, be careful. I tried to pick him up and he bites. And I'm like, are you kidding? Look at how tiny he is. He's terrified. I could not let him get hit by a car, and I couldn't leave him on the side of the road. So now he's in the car with me. I am on my way to the rescue house to get the morning started, to get all the dogs out and fed and everything else. So this is not part of my morning plan. Sorry guys, I'm still shaking. But I had to save him. I could not save him. So I am on the way to the rescue house. I have to find something to contain him while I get everybody taken care of. And then I will be taking him to the vet to have him checked out to ensure that he is okay. He's just a tiny baby. I don't know how he ended up in the middle of Andrews Avenue, which is very busy in the morning usually because it is a warehouse district. Hi, it's okay. It's okay, little one. You're safe. You're safe. I took a quick glance around to see if there was any others or a mommy cat, and I didn't see anything. So please donate towards this little one's care. Don't know if it's a boy or girl. I hope that it'll be okay. I think it was in a state of shock when I picked it up because it wouldn't move and it just stared at me wide-eyed. Seems to be calming down now. But again, this is not what I planned on for my Wednesday heading into work at the rescue house. But I couldn't leave him on the side of the road, or her, I'm not sure which. So please donate towards this little one's care. Hopefully there's nothing wrong. Hopefully he wasn't already hit or dinged by a car, causing any damage, because I have not seen him walk. I am just getting ready to pull down the street to the rescue house now, so I'm going to sign off. Please donate. Another life saved. A tiny kitten in the middle of Andrews Avenue. 3 cars swerved after almost running him over. This is Tiffany, 100 plus. Abandoned dogs and cats of Everglades, Florida.